Looking for help with your email marketing? ChatGPT can be used to write your emails for you. So what I have up here is a little explanation to ChatGPT of what it is that I do, and that I'm doing a cold outreach email campaign consisting of 5 emails. I asked to write subjects for each of them to entice the CFO, my target audience, to read them. It responds back with, hey, here are the 5 subject lines for each of those. You can say, hey, look, I like them. You can ask for further tweaking. Doesn't make a difference. Once you have the 5 that you're looking to do, you can tell it, all right, please write the first email. And then here it goes. It gives you the subject. It gives you the body. You can tell it to fill in, a specific name here if you want, or your name at the end, and it'll do it. Once you're okay with this, you can tell it to to write each of the emails one by one. Generates lists. It generates just regular text over here. I've always found that what comes out isn't perfect. It's best if you take this as a starting point and go and tweak each of the emails, to make sure that it has your tone of voice in there. Maybe there are some additional things you want to highlight in there. It's usually good to, like I said, take this as a starting point rather than as just a copy paste. Once you're good with each of these, you can just copy and paste them into individual emails. You can use drip software to, space them out so that way it's sent every day or every couple of days. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If there are other topics that you'd like me to post tutorials and videos about, please comment below. Thank you.